Hi guys, today we're going to be making a keto-friendly chocolate cake. Honestly, I have to say it tastes delicious. So let's get started. This recipe makes one 8-inch square. It can be doubled and made into a proper cake filled with chocolate ganache. 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 2 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 heaped tablespoon of cream, 1/4 cup of brewed coffee. Please make sure it's cooled. 3 room temperature eggs. If the eggs are too cold, the cake will be too dense. 2/3 cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, 3 tablespoons coconut oil. Please make sure that the coconut oil is melted before adding it to the mixture, otherwise you'll end up with lumps. Give it a good mix, but make sure you don't overbeat it. Overbeating the mixture will give you a dense cake. Pour the mixture into an 8-inch square or circle pan lined with parchment paper. Bake at 175 Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes depending on your oven. Let's make some dark chocolate ganache. I absolutely love ganache. Chop up 200 grams of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate makes the best ganache. Add 100 grams of cream to the chocolate and put it in the microwave at 30-second bursts until it's all melted. If you don't have a microwave or prefer not to use one, you can always use a stove, but make sure you don't boil the cream. Mix it well and refrigerate until thickened. This takes about 30 minutes to an hour. After cooling in the fridge, the ganache should be thick. The consistency will be like peanut butter. Now we are going to use a spatula to cover the cake with a thick layer of ganache. Honestly, when I tasted the cake, it didn't even taste like it was any different to a normal cake. My family absolutely loved it. They didn't even know it was a keto cake. So everyone, please give this cake a try, and I just want to know what other recipes you'd like to see. If you did like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!